So do you want to see how I used to pick a paint color for a room? And that's just for the past 4 rooms. Do you want to see how I pick a paint color now? Home Depot's new ProjectColor app. The easiest way to see what a color will look like in your space without all the samples. Download the free ProjectColor app. Grab a photo of your room. Select a paint color and simply tap to see what the paint will look like in that space. Save it for later, share it with a friend to get their feedback, and upload your Pinterest boards to match colors. Browse through popular colors you can't go wrong with, and watch short but sweet and helpful videos on things like how to prep your room for painting, complete with supplies, as well as how to choose the right paint for your specific project. Browse through thousands of different color options, and if you find one you like, but it's not quite right, they have suggested similar colors as well as coordinating colors. And when you're ready, you can order directly from the phone either a sample or buy the paint and have it delivered straight to your door. So what color did we end up choosing? We selected Battleship Gray by Behr using the ProjectColor app, and it turned out exactly the way that I thought it would.
Ah, you're still there. Awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I got another one queued up for you right here. And if you want other awesome content from me, check out those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, have fun making something.